Time is a very important resource that luckily all of us enjoy, but research shows that so many people struggle with time management, and this could be the reason why we have several time management techniques. In this particular episode, I'm going to talk about time boxing, a goal-oriented time management technique whereby you set a fixed amount of time to work on a task and evaluate your progress afterwards. Some people call it time blocking. Why time boxing? How is it done? What are the benefits? One of the reasons why I love time boxing is because it takes a to-do list to the next level. In one study conducted in 2018 by Harvard University on 100 most useful productivity hacks, time boxing ranked number 1. This shows you how impactful time boxing can be. It's no wonder people like Bill Gates, Elon Musk, Cal Newport applies it. Time boxing is known to reduce the feeling of being overwhelmed, scattered, and stressed because of so many commitments. It gives you control over your schedule and helps you structure your life. So how can you time box? The following steps will guide you to time box effectively. Brain dumping. Get all your thoughts of what you need to get done down on a paper. From your brain dump, highlight specific tasks that you need to get done and put them in the form of a to-do list. Prioritize tasks. Prioritization is key in reducing procrastination and focusing on what matters. Don't just go for the easy tasks. Your top priority should go for the most important tough tasks that contribute to your main goals. You can identify 3 most important highlights for the day and schedule them early before you get exhausted by the day's activities. Define exactly what you want to achieve by the end of the time box. It may be completing the entire task or just a section of the project. This can make your targets clearer and help you in time estimation. Setting these mini targets or checkpoints brings a sense of progress and motivation to the time box. Time box. Here, you set the amount of time each task will take you and block it on your calendar or your daily planner. Visualize exactly how you'll carry out the task. If it is a high concentration task that will need a short break, include that break in the time box. Also, don't give tasks more time than they need. Remember Parkinson's law. A task will always adjust to the time that is available for its completion. You may struggle with time estimation when you are a beginner in time boxing, but with time you get much better. Don't overschedule your day. The lesser you do, the more you accomplish without frequent burnouts. After estimating the amount of time that you'll require for each task, you go to your calendar or your daily planner and block them there. Commit to the time box. Having a busy day can tempt you to rearrange, reschedule, or cancel your time boxes. Avoid this as much as possible. With the time boxing, you are making a commitment with yourself that you'll do the time boxed task at the set time. Just like you won't cancel a meeting with your boss, you shouldn't cancel a time box unless it is absolutely necessary. Work without interruptions. Prevent any form of distraction that may occur. You can switch off your phone, turn off notification, use do not disturb, or close the doors. Before you begin any time box, put all the things that you'll require next to you. Prioritize on comfort, proper lighting, clutter-free environment to boost your focus. When you're done with all these preparations, you can now set a timer or an alarm and start working on your time box. Using a timer or an alarm is very important because it prevents you from getting distracted by continuously checking the time. Once the timer starts, focus solely on the task at hand until your time is up. After that, you can take 5 minutes to wind up. If you feel you need more time, you can set another time box to complete the task later. Review and adjust. After the time box, take a brief break to assess your progress. Did you complete your task? Did you meet your target? Was the length of time appropriate? Are you happy with what you've achieved? This review will help you in planning and managing your next time boxes. What are some of the benefits of time boxing? Time boxing makes you become more intentional with your work. This is because you don't just do things. You prioritize on the tasks that you want to work on, decide on how long it will take you when creating a time box. You increase your focus and hence your output. Since you set aside time to work, you tell your brain that this is a valuable focus time. You reduce multitasking. Just like I discussed on this video here, human brain cannot multitask effectively. Whenever you multitask, your brain will require more energy and time to reload the information for the task that you want to switch to. This energy and time that is spent on switching from one task to another can be spent on one task, and this can increase your output per unit time. So time boxing ensures that you solely focus on a single task until the time is up before switching to something else. Time boxing motivates you to work on important tasks. When creating a time box, you set targets for yourself to complete within a preset time. Giving yourself a target to work towards can motivate you. Time boxing gives you control of your day. By scheduling your time boxes in your calendar or your daily planner, you can easily visualize when you'll accomplish the scheduled tasks. This reduces guessing game and helps you to tackle each day with confidence and clarity. You reduce perfectionism. If you're a perfectionist or you frequently spend more time on things that are good to go like me, then time boxing can unblock you and increase your productivity. This is because in time boxing, once time is up, then you need to let go. So you won't spend more time with a task that is already good enough. Okay, I hope you guys gained something from this productivity video. All the best in your time boxing. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.